Good morning, Fabrice Hernandez. What's happened? No inventory, lot of contracts signed. What's happened exactly here in Miami Beach? Let's see the weekly market update of the iconic Castle Beach and the 5445 and Collins Avenue. And let's see the market exactly what's happened in Miami-Dade first. Miami-Dade, why? Because let's see what's happened with the condo, the average condo, the medium price condo, luxury condo, and the Castle Beach. Because yes, guys, we are just here on the beach, 5445 Collins Avenue, and this typical Castle Beach is on the middle, the millionary wall, and this is here really a luxury opportunity to get an apartment here on the beach with this building. So let's see, understand the market in Miami-Dade, the global market. February 2026, what's happened? There is 1,479 sales in the country. Is amazing. Okay, there is less than last year. There is less, 6% less that when we are the comparable from last year. What's happened? The median price, the average price is $560,000 for the average price for the property. What do you mean? A lot of people are thinking that you need a lot of money. The luxury was working very well in Miami Beach, but the people are thinking that you need a lot of money. $565,000, you can have a property here in Miami Beach. And by the way, if you are foreigner, you can get a mortgage as well with 30%. But let's see and continue the analysis. If you want more information about that, more deeper, don't hesitate. Click on my YouTube channel. Put just here, share this video for your friend, because there is a lot of people that they want to know exactly what's happened in the market in Miami. And they will be very happy to have the knowledge about that. There is 9% more contracts signed this year when we compare with the last year at the same moment, February 2026, February 2025. It means that the market is very good. It means that the market is still active on the beach. It's still active here in Florida, in Miami. The thing that it is, when you are looking for a property, the problem is that there is less property listed, there is no inventory, and there is more contracts signed. So what will happen? What the dynamic of the market now for the luxury? Let's compare for the luxury, because this is exactly what's happened. The Castle Beach, we have two typical scenarios. The average classic price, on the other side, the luxury. 27 the luxury properties signed this week, and a volume for $286 million here in Miami Beach. Let's continue. There is a lot of investors coming from where? New York City, and now from California. Also, like you can see on the Castle Beach, there is no contract signed, no new property, no price going down, no price going up. There is no activity regarding the sale and the rental. Let's continue exactly what's happened in the Castle Beach. Like you can see just here on this Excel sheet. 15 property for sale this week. It means that there is not a lot of property for sale on the Castle Beach this week, because 571 in total. That we know there is just the activity, the commercial activity that is starting up again on the lower lobby. There is just this unit, the CU4A, that is just rented by Girasol for a 2-year contract, and it put to be more animation here in the lobby. That's the Castle Beach. What do you mean? What is the advantage of the Castle Beach when you buy a property? First of all, you can make short-term rental. Second of all, you can use by yourself. First, you have the parking spot available with the unit, and you can rent it by Airbnb daily with no restrictions. You don't have a unit that will you a fortune. But by the way, if you multiply this situation, you can make a lot of money, because what's happened exactly? It's happened that a unit that you can buy for $300,000 can give you some revenue with the Airbnb location when we Airbnb rental, and you can again use the property by yourself. You want more information? Don't hesitate. Click on my YouTube channel. We are making webinar, we are doing video, and we put the video first of all, and we put every advertising first of all to put the property on the market. So don't hesitate. Click on my YouTube channel, click on subscribe, active the ring. Like this, you can receive a notice always when I put a video online. Share this video. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I will see you next week, because remember, we are doing the weekly market update from this Castle Beach here on the beach every single week. See you next week.